The topic for today is how to successfully submit U.S. tax info. To submit U.S. tax info, click on Manage Tax Info. After clicking, the Manage Tax Info window will appear. Click on Manage Delivery Preference. After clicking, you will get two options, first paperless, second by post. The best option is to select paperless. Put a tick on the Accept Paperless Delivery Agreement. Click on Update Delivery Preference. After clicking, it will update your delivery preference. Next, click on Add Tax Info. After clicking, it will show you some guidelines. Click on the Start form. After clicking, a login window will appear. Log in using your AdSense account ID and password. Click on Next. After clicking, type of account information will appear. If you are filing as an individual, then select Individual, and if you are filing as an entity or company, then you need to select Non-Individual. Here I am selecting as an individual. Click Next. After clicking, a second option will appear that asks, "Are you a citizen or resident of the United States?" If you are a U.S. citizen, then select Yes. If you are not, then select No. I am selecting No. Click Next. After clicking, the W-8 tax form type will appear. Here two types of forms are available. If you have started as an individual, then select W-8BEN. And if you are started as non-individual, then select W-8ECI. I am selecting W-8BEN as an individual. Next, click on the Start W-8BEN form. After clicking, it will take some time to load the page. Next, Tax Identity Information window will appear. In the first row, your name will come automatically. If you have filed as a non-individual, then you have to enter your farm name in the second row. Next, select your country from the available list. The next option is Taxpayer Identification Number. This TIN number may vary based on the country regulations. For non-US citizens, enter individual taxpayer identification number available in your country. For India, you have to enter your PAN number. For US citizens, enter your USITIN or SSN number. Click Next. After clicking, an address window will appear. In the address bar, enter your address, which is mentioned in your TIN or PAN document. If your postal address and permanent address are the same, then put a tick in the box below State. And if your permanent residential address is a P.O. box, then put a tick below Country. In the second row, enter your street address. In the third row, enter your suite, etc. In fourth row, enter your town or city. In the fifth row, enter your postal or PIN code. Next, select your state. Click Next. After clicking, it will take some time to reload the page. Next, the tax treaty window will appear. If you are a U.S. citizen, then select No because U.S. tax law will be applicable for you. And if you are a non-U.S. citizen, then tax will be applicable based on the tax treaty. Since I am filing as a non-U.S. citizen, select Yes. Next, put a tick below Yes. Next, select your country from the given list. If you have special rates and conditions between the U.S. and your country, then you can select from the tax withholding rate from the three options mentioned below. Let's select the first option, such as service from AdSense. Next, click on the article and paragraph. After clicking automatically, Article 7 in Paragraph 1 will appear. This article and paragraph may vary based on your country treaty. Click on that. Next, click on the withhold rate. Select 0% reduce rate as per treaty. Next, put a tick on the reason for the treaty article. After that, put a tick on motion picture and TV royalties. Click on the article and paragraphs. After clicking, the automatically generated article and paragraph will appear. Select that. Next, click on the withhold rate. Select a 15% reduction rate as per the treaty. Next, put a tick on the reason for the treaty article. Next, put a tick on other royalties. Click on the article and paragraphs. After clicking, the automatically generated article and paragraph will appear. Select that. Next, click on the withhold rate. Select a 15% reduction rate as per the treaty. Next, put a tick on the reason for the treaty article. Click Next. After clicking, it will start reloading the page. The next option is activities and services performed in the U.S. In this section, you have performed any kind of service inside the U.S. Then you have to select Yes. Since I have not performed any service inside the U.S., I am selecting No. Put a tick to certify your statement. Click Next. After clicking, the tax reporting option will appear. Here, two options will be available. First, paperless, second, document through post. Paperless is the best recommended option. Select Go Paperless. Put a tick on the Accept Paperless Delivery Terms and Condition Agreement. Click Next. After clicking, all your filled documents will appear. Put a tick on your document review confirmation. Click Next. After clicking, Certify option will appear. Next, put a tick on your penalty clause declaration. Next, put a tick on your unchanged status affidavit if it is applicable to you. Since I am filing as a new creator, this is not applicable to me. Next, put a tick in the Beneficial Owner Tax Identity section. Click on Submit. After clicking, it will take some time to load the page. After clicking, you can see the missing document window has appeared. This problem may appear when you have submitted a different address for the AdSense PIN receiving, which is not in your ID document. In this condition, don't be panicked and upload the same ID that was uploaded during the AdSense PIN request submission. Click on Upload. Open your document location. Select the clear and complete image of the ID that contains the address. Click Open and wait for the documents to upload. Click on Submit Documents. After clicking, it will start reloading the page. After successful submission, it will show you verification in progress. Click on Got It. After clicking, all your tax info details will appear. So after 2 days, tax verification was completed, and the same is confirmed through email. To receive payment in your bank account, click on Add Payment Method. Since I already added my bank information, you have to add it to receive payment. So in this process, you can successfully complete your U.S. tax info submission. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.